Hello and welcome to WSPL Digital Discovery. Today we're going to discover one of our newest electronic resources, CloudLibrary NewsStand. CloudLibrary NewsStand offers simultaneous access to over 6,500 magazine and newspaper titles in over 60 languages that you can read right away with just your library card. There are no holds on these titles or due dates, so you can access them just right from your NewsStand account. You can find step-by-step instructions on our library website under the Digital Library heading and select Downloadables to find instructions on all our downloadable ebooks, e-audiobooks, and digital magazines. Today we're going to explore how to use the app and getting started. The first step to get started is just to open the app and log in. If you have the app already downloaded, that's great. You can just open it. Otherwise, open the device's app store, and in the search bar, just type in CloudLibrary NewsStand. You want CloudLibrary as one word, and it should bring up the correct NewsStand app. So when you search, I've already downloaded it, but I'm re-downloading it here. And once it starts to download, you're ready to go as soon as it finishes. So from the App Store, I'm just going to press on Open, and it's going to open the app right away for us. For new users, you will need to create an account with your email. So if you go to the bottom, there's a space for new users you can tap on, and it will redirect you to a new page to register your account with an email address and password. After setting up your information, you will be prompted to enter your library card number and password. Once the account is created, you are all set to log into the app with your new account to start reading digital magazines. Access to any digital magazines will be tied to your new account, and that allows you to access all your digital magazines across different devices. Once you are logged in, you can access all the magazines you've previously browsed or downloaded right in your account. Once you are logged in, you will see a home screen of the most recent issues added to the app. At the top, you will see the Witchurch-Stouffville Public Library, and in the top right, you will see a magnifying glass that you can use as the search icon. The search icon is where you can go to search by topic or title in the search bar up top, or you can browse for magazines by different categories. You can also change the language, as there are magazines available in over 60 languages. Just tap on Language to bring up a filter that you can then sort by the languages you only want to see. Just tap on the language you'd like, and that will filter all the results to that language. So now I scroll down and I can select a topic. Let's say you're interested in art. You tap on the art heading, and then it will show you all the different titles available in the app regarding to this category. You can scroll down to see more, but if you're not interested in any of these, you can select the back arrow in the top left and go back to the main menu and just keep looking for something that interests you. So I'm going to scroll down all the way to technology to show the latest titles available here. There are lots of choices here, so I'm going to pick an issue I'm interested to read, which is Macworld, and I'm just going to tap on the cover to see more. Here you'll see the issue number and date and a brief description of the magazine, but if you tap on the eye beside it, you'll get a full description of the magazine, as well as a description of what is contained in the issue. If you close that, you can now favorite the magazine by pressing the star beside it. That way you can keep track of all the titles you like to read on a regular basis. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see the most recent issues, as well as recent articles from the magazine that might be of interest. This will show you the length of time to read, as well as take you right to the article just by tapping on it. Also at the bottom, you can see all the related magazines available in CloudLibrary. But let's go back up, and we're going to tap on the big green button that says Read. This will start to download the issue to your device, and you can open it in a reading mode. So now that the magazine has been downloaded, you can just swipe right and left through the magazine in order to turn the pages. Like any kind of app, you can just kind of swipe right to left or left to right to go forward and backwards, just to navigate through the different pages. If you tap on the middle of the screen, it'll bring up little thumbnails that you can really jump ahead through the magazine in order to jump to the articles you like, or just kind of quickly browse through it. If you find an article you like, you can just tap on it and it will bring you right to the page, and that way you can read the article right away. If you tap in the middle, there's a little bookmark icon in the top right hand corner that you can tap, so that way you will be able to find it quickly if you want to read it again or save it for later to read later. So after some time reading, you can go back to the home screen that you'll recognize from when you first open the app, and you'll see the different headings at the bottom of the screen. There's Home, My Magazines, and Settings. You'll see we're already at the home screen because it's highlighted in blue. But what happens when you select My Magazines? This will show you a list of all the magazines you've downloaded that you can jump back into at any point by pressing the green Read button. If you're finished with the issue and you want to remove it from your device, you just click on the red Remove. Next, tap on Favorites at the top, and it will show you all the magazine titles you have favorited, and it'll help you quickly navigate back to all the titles you like to keep track of and read. The next piece is your bookmarks that will keep all the articles that you flagged to save for later. Here you'll see all the articles I've bookmarked, and all you need to do is tap on the one you want to jump into, and it will open the issue right at the page that you marked. It opens the article in reading mode, so all you need to do is start reading and swipe to turn the page. When you are done, just tap on the middle for all the options, and you can keep reading the issue or tap on the back arrow in the top left to go back to your list of bookmarks. If you are finished with a bookmark and want to clean it up, just press the delete button and confirm, and it's gone. The last piece at the bottom is the settings, where you can review the different policies, terms, and conditions, and help and support. You can also navigate your account settings by tapping on Account, and here you can log out or change your password. Thank you for joining us for this overview of the CloudLibrary NewsStand app, and I hope you've learned a few new tips on how to better navigate the app. You can also access this resource from any web browser that will have a very similar layout and experience, but the only major difference is that you cannot download magazines to your computer. You can only read them through the web version. Thank you again for joining our digital discovery today.